Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is related to your how to register for National Skill Registry NSR, how to generate 12-digit IT PIN, complete process. I'm going to discuss submit in IT TCS NSR declaration form. Don't do this type of mistakes. Must watch before applying all important mandatory documents. NSR doubt FAQ list complete. This is a video for complete information how to apply, how to get NSR ID card, how to submit the form, the document requirement. If you don't have the document, future employees, payment gateway, how many how much cost is there. So each and everything I'm going to discuss. So वीडियो को आप लोग इन तक जरूर देखना. वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, अपने फ्रेंड्स वीडियो को जरूर से जरूर शेयर कर देना. So let's begin. And this is not only for TCS, this is for all the companies like Infosys, Cognizant, Capgemini. Okay, SCL Tech. This is for all the companies who is asking for the NSR IT pin. You have to follow the same steps. Okay. So this kind of things you are able to see. Okay, so this type of things you are able to get once you go to your offer letter. Okay, see NSR ILP corner and home ILP corner NSR National Skill Registry, and see this is the complete things that like you have to go first of all. Once you got your offer letter, after that you are able to see after some time, after 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, you are able to get your ILP corner. From there you'll finding the joining letter and the National Skill Registry. See, okay, and once you click over there you are able to see, okay, NSR declaration. After successful registering with the National Skill Registry NSR, please accept the declaration below and submit your 12-digit IT PIN number in connection with the application to render services to TCS. I hereby agree with the follow. I am registered for TCS वगैरह बताया गया है. यहाँ पर आपको जनरेट करने के बाद आपको डालना है और आपको फाइनल सबमिट पर क्लिक कर देना है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग द कंपनी. ये आपकी सभी के लिए मैंडेटरी है, ठीक है. ओके, and this is a NSR ID card look like. Okay, National Skill Registry NSR, credible data, credible people, or there you're finding your name, and this is your IT pin, 12-digit number. For this number only you have to fill this form, and after that you have to click on submit. Okay, and let's discuss the FAQ section part. Okay, after that I'm going to discuss how to create your NSR IT pin. Okay, is NSR registration mandatory? By when do we to complete the NSR registration? Yes, it is mandatory that you needed to should be complete both the phases of NSR registration and biometric process before joining TCS. Also note that you need to upload NSR e-card in the BGC documents. Got it? Second, how can I do NSR registration? Please visit the NSR registry page for detailed instruction or on NSR registration. This link I will provide in my video description. Okay. I have completed my both phase of NSR but did not receive NSR e-card. You need to log into the NSR website and generate your e-card. Okay. What need to be mentioned in the employee code field while registering for NSR? You need to mention your CTDT number in, like you will finding your CTDT number in your TCS offer letter and also in your TCS next day portal in the left right corner, left top corner. Okay. Number of employees code. After joining TCS you need to update the TCS employee number in place of CT number, reference number. Okay. In part one of NSR, there is a section of present employee. I have not been employed another way before. What should I fill in the required field? You can write not applicable. Okay, not applicable. Next, uh, in part one NSR, there is a section present employment. I have not employed. You know, not acceptable. Okay, and this question are both are same. Okay. What is to be selected in NSR form on the NSR website, present employer or future employer? When you start registering process, NSR system should ask NSR registration requested by. Please select the option another company and choose TCS Tata Consultancy Services Limited. Please choose the name very correct because यहाँ बहुत सारे लोग गलती कर देते हैं, ठीक है. From the drop down list, mention the address of TCS is printed in the offer letter. Whatever location in your printed in your offer letter, just use the same address. Okay. In the field of offer ID in NSR, enter the CT number or example of CT number जो आपका है वो आपको fill up करना, mention in the first page of your offer letter. Okay, got it? 7. Where do I submit IT PIN number of NSR? You need to submit the NSR IT PIN number on the next step portal. Log into the next step portal, click on ILP corner, and just go to the NSR. When and where is biometric test conducted for NSR? And after NSR registration, the biometric process is conducted at the point of service POS of NSR. For more details, just visit the registry. What is the point of service POS of NSR registration? POS point of services is an external services provided who will collect your NSR acknowledgement form, verify detail with proof of identity, collect the payment, and record your fingerprint through the biometric process. POS will issue transaction identification number TIN. Okay. can the details in NSR be edited once the procedure of registration has been completed? In case you missed out on any on some information while registering or made some error correction or completion can be done after registration. In case you need to enter your new information such as additional qualification, changes in address or employment can always be added after registration. Okay, your details can be updated, changed. Okay, changed only by you through NSR. Such a modification can be done by authentic the modifications which are password different than your login password. Whenever there is a change in your details, the system will send you a alert mail in your email ID registered in NSR database. However, in the information which you which get verified on which under process of verification cannot be edited. So please आप लोगों को यहाँ पर गलती नहीं करनी है. My post in center of NSR for my residence, can I complete a biometric process if my TCS experience center on my joining date? Please note that there is a two phase of NSR. At least the first phase should be complete before joining TCS, as in the BGC document upload mandatory mandates you to either NSR e-card or NSR acknowledgement slip. Okay, if you are not able to do the phase 2 biometric before the joining date, you need to visit the nearest post center or your TCS joining location and complete the same. We do not arrange any post setup for NSR our premises. Okay, what should I upload in the BGC in case of unavailability of NSR e-card? In case of unavailability of NSR e-card, you can upload your NSR acknowledgement mail in the BGC form. Okay. Okay, so that was the complete information, and this is for how you are going to register step by step process. This video I uploaded on 3 years ago, 27 January 2021, and this is the video uploaded on YouTube, which is which I already discussed each and every steps, how to upload, how to create. Okay, so just go to this particular video, you'll finding each and everything, each and every steps you are able to find how to register, how to fill the form, step by step process. Okay, name, address, just watch this video because this video I discuss each and everything. Okay, this is not a very tough. This is a very easy. Your personal information is present in the intermediate previous address. Okay, just you have to fill this just like a form. This is just like a form. Okay, answer hint वगैरह जैसे आप लोग कंपनी में अप्लाई करते हो कोई गवर्नमेंट जॉब है प्राइवेट जॉब में ठीक है like this one. Okay, see. Okay, so this is a complete information, and after paying some amount of money, you have to after payment you have to wait at least 12 to 24 hours, and after that they will not say if they're not sending any mail, then just log into your NSR login account, and after that you just download your NSR IT pin and ID card, and after that you have to upload on your TCS next step portal. Okay, so प्लीज वॉच वीडियो को पहले देखना जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया तो वो भी आप लोग ध्यान देना, कहीं कुछ भी आपको दिक्कत हो रही है प्रॉब्लम है देखिए फिर आपको फ्यूचर एम्प्लॉयर पर सेलेक्ट करना है, ऑफर आईडी जॉब आईडी यहाँ पर आपको डालना है, सीटीटी नंबर डालना है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर आपका माई फ्यूचर एम्प्लॉयर डालना है, रजिस्ट्रेशन एट माई ओन, ये नहीं करना, आपको ये डालना है. ठीक है, तो अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस हो तो आपको डालना है मैं प्रेजेंट एम्प्लॉयर आपको डालना है. अगर आप लोग टीसीएस में जा रहे हो फर्स्ट टाइम तो आपको ये चूज करना है. ठीक है, तो बिल्कुल भी गलती नहीं करनी है, सब आपको अच्छे से फॉर्म फिलअप करना है. कहीं कुछ भी दिक्कत है प्रॉब्लम आ रही है मुझसे पूछो, कमेंट में पूछो, मुझे डीएम करो, लेकिन विदाउट एनी रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन आप लोग कुछ भी काम मत करना, मुझसे पहले डिस्कस करना, उसके बाद ही आप लोग फर्दर प्रोसीड करना. सो मिलते हैं दूसरे दूसरे वीडियो में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.